Welcome back to Hot Car Track. Today we're looking at a new track piece. This is a 4-lane Hot Wheels 90-degree curve or bend, whatever you want to call it. This is on an angle, so it's perfect for sticking in the corner when you need a 90-degree for your 4-lane setup. I just want to show you what comes with the kit. It comes in 2 halves, 2 pieces, and it will also come with 2 bolts and nuts. The bolts and nuts obviously go into there and they connect to each other. So let's put it together. Already got the connectors set up. This is a very simple piece, as all my pieces are. Let's do that. Grab yourself a bolt, stick it in and screw it up. This will come in colours of grey, black and orange. And if you do require another colour, please contact me. There'll be a small fee attached to that, as these take an enormous amount of plastic to produce. And we just put in the other bolt. If I can get it together. And just slot that in there like that. Just be careful again, this is plastic of course, and it is fragile plastic. And please do not use this outdoors. This is used for indoor purposes only. Otherwise, if you go outside on a hot day, your track will warp, and you certainly do not want that to happen. Okay, so there's the other nut. Just screw that up. And it gives it a really good, solid foundation. It sits beautifully. It's a beautiful printed piece. It's got the back support. It is angled coming in and going out, and obviously you just connect your Hot Wheels track however you do, and away you go. You have a nice printed 4-lane 90-degree curve that you can just set up with all your 4-lane pieces. There you go. This will be available tomorrow, Monday the 24th of January 2022. Oh, by the way, I made a video yesterday about the track and my problems with gaining Hot Wheels track. Guess what? I went back online and they had restocked overnight, and I managed to get 2 boxes of the track builder. This is the stuff I was telling you about. There's 31 pieces of the longer pieces, 12 of the shorter pieces, and obviously connectors, and it does come with a car. In actual fact, the wheels on these are really quite good. So if you are into doing custom builds, just grab it for the car. Nah, it's pretty expensive. This cost 29 bucks Australian. So I managed to get two boxes, which I hope is enough to near complete this 4-lane monster of a racetrack that we're going to be racing in 2022. So there you go. There is the 90-degree 4-lane Hot Wheels curve, suitable for 4-lane racing. This matches up perfectly with the 4-lane 180-degree curve. Okay, thanks for watching, and until next time, I will catch you later.